What's up guys, I'm James and welcome back to the Great Gambino channel. In this video, I'm going to be taking you through a short tutorial giving you the bare bones steps needed to use Oculus Airlink. Let's get started. First, you want to make sure your PC is capable of running virtual reality by checking the specs requirements on the Oculus website. The next step is to open the Oculus app on your computer, click on Settings, go over to Beta, and make sure to turn on Airlink. Now this will turn off after 24 hours if you do not use it. Now with the headset on, you want to click on Apps over here, then Settings in green, drag down to the bottom where you see Experimental Features. Scroll down and make sure you have Airlink on in blue. You can close that out. Now over here on the mini bar, you want to click Quick Settings. Make sure to select Oculus Airlink. It's going to search for your computer, and once this is done, you want to make sure to select the computer you are trying to use. Click on Pair, then Launch. The headset should load you into the Oculus Home PC version. Along the bottom bar, you want to select Library, and now it's as simple as loading any of your PC Oculus games. I'll show you how a few games run. Let's start out with Boneworks. Alright, so it's very smooth. Woo! Yeah, I mean it's keeping up perfect. There's no lag, no stutter. No, it doesn't feel like the frame rate is dropping. It feels like a very smooth frame rate. Once you exit a game, you can be transported back to the Quest Home by scrolling over to the left of the bar, clicking on the Oculus Airlink tab, and then choosing Quit. And that's all there is to it. I hope this video shows you how easy it is to play PC VR on your Oculus Quest. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.